At America's Car-Mart, enjoy a journey that's more than just a career. It's a chance to be part of an award-winning, well-established company that values integrity, respect, compassion, and excellence. Here, every day brings new opportunities to make a meaningful impact in our community and in the lives of our customers. In our dynamic and supportive environment, your ideas are valued, your hard work is recognized, and your well-being is important. We encourage energy and creativity of all our associates, where autonomy and trust fuel our collective success and drive change. As part of our family, you'll find a rewarding career and a place where you can make a difference, while balancing personal fulfillment with professional achievement. Help us in providing an excellent experience to our diverse customers within the automotive industry. If you're ready to take your career to the next level, to work with a team that celebrates your individuality, and to be part of a company that genuinely cares about making a positive impact, we want to hear from you. Come join us. Let's build something great together.